Hi, I'm David Addis, the creator and lone developer of Home Detective, an upcoming VR game for the Meta Quest that uses pass-through. You play as a work-from-home detective, and the game synchronises the crime scene to your living room, allowing you to look around for clues and solve the crime. Using either hand tracking or controllers, you can move objects in the normal way just by grabbing them, but you also have some handy tools at your disposal, such as the Residual Heat Scanner, which shows areas which have recently been touched or moved, kind of like a blacklight scanner. There's also the Fingerprint duster to allow you to analyse prints left on the scene, and the Latent data detector, which allows you to salvage a leftover email or message for some extra hints, but you must decrypt the data first. I'm planning to release this as a free download with additional levels sold separately for a few dollars each, so you'd be able to buy the game and all its levels for $10 to $20. If you have any feedback or comments, I'd love to hear them, and I'm hoping I can release the first 2 levels in the summer of this year.